Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. Today I'm here with a new video in which I will explain you about if your Play Store is not working in MI11i and MI11i Hypercharge. You can follow the steps and solve your issue. Firstly, if you're new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move to other topic. If your Play Store is having an issue or it's not working in your MI11i or MI11i Hypercharge, you can solve it by the method I'm showing. Just follow the each and every step and watch complete video.